Gen friends, dear friends, today we are going to discuss NCERT textbook of page number 108, class 9th mathematics chapter 6 lines and angles, exercise 6.3. In this we have already discussed the question number 1 to 4, question number 5 and 6 is remaining. So these two questions we are going to discuss right now in this present session. In this question number 5, it's given that in figure PQ is perpendicular to PS. This line segment PQ is perpendicular to PS. It is given. Perpendicular means this angle is 90 degree. PQ is perpendicular to PS and PQ is parallel to SR also. This PQ is parallel to SR also. Right? PQ is parallel to SR. Since PQ is parallel to SR and PS is perpendicular to PQ, therefore this PS is perpendicular to SR also. Understood? Now as angle SQR is 28 degree, angle QRT is 65 degree, then find the value of X and Y. Right friends? So you just need to see, to find out the value of X and Y, you need to see the triangle SQR. In this SQR, SR is produced up to the point T. Therefore, we will get that angle QRT as a exterior angle. Okay. So, let's see the solution of this question and understand it properly. Right friends? Just see. Since in triangle SQR, in SQR, SR is produced up to the point T. SR is produced up to T. So we will get an exterior angle of this triangle. So angle QRT is equals to, therefore angle QRT equals to sum of two, this exterior angle property, sum of two opposite interior angles means angle QSR plus angle SQR. Reason students, which one? Exterior angle property. By which exterior angle property we have written. Now the measure of angle QRT is 65 degree is equals to QST. We are going to find out this angle QST. So angle QSR RT plus angle SQR, which is 28 degree. Right friends? So we can find the measure angle QSR is equals to 65 minus 28, which gives you 15 minus 8 is equals to 7 and 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Means measure angle QSR is equals to 37 degree. This is 37. Now as what I am saying, this PQ is perpendicular to PS, right? Okay. Since PQ is perpendicular to PS and this PQ is parallel to SR. PQ is parallel to SR. So with this concept, it is clear that this PS is perpendicular to SR also. It implies that, this implies that PS is perpendicular to SR also. And if PS is perpendicular to SR, means angle PSR is equals to 100. Angle PSR is equals to 90 degree. Therefore, angle PSR is equals to 90 degree. Now in angle PSR, there are two angles. Angle PSQ plus angle QSR. This angle PSR can be written as angle PSQ plus angle QSR. Angle QSR equals to 90. Measure of angle PSQ is Y plus angle QSR अभी हमने फाइंड किया QSR is 37 degree equals to 90. So Y is equals to 90 minus 37. So we will get the value of Y, which gives you 10 minus 7 is 3 and 8 minus 3 is 5. 53 degree means the value of Y we got 53 degree. Now Y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी थी, सो Y we got 53 degree. अभी हमें X की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, this the value of X. So to find out the value of X you have to take the triangle PQS. कौन सा ट्रायंगल लेंगे? PQS, and the sum of all angle of triangle PQS is equals to 180 we have to take. So in triangle PQS, sum of all angle means angle P plus X plus angle Y is equals to 180. Angle sum property, right? Okay, now measure angle P is 90 plus X plus Y is 53 degree is equals to 180. So 90 plus 53 is equals to 143. So X is equals to 180 minus 143. Let us subtract it. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. Means the value of X is 37. So therefore हमें X की वैल्यू आ गई 37 and the value of Y is 53. Right friends? Is it clear? Any problem? कुछ problem हुई? Right. Now we are going to discuss question number 6 of the exercise, same 6.3, and this is I think last question of this chapter also. With the discussion of this question हम इस chapter को over कर रहे हैं. Now let us end up this question with this chapter with this question. You see in this given in the figure side QR, this QR is produced, QR of triangle PQR is produced up to a point S. इसको आगे बढ़ाया गया तो हमें point S मिला. Now as QR is produced up to the point S, so we are getting an exterior angle PRS. So by exterior angle property this PRS can be written as, okay, then if the bisector of angle Q, PQR and PRS meet at point T, then prove that angle QTR is half of angle QPR. ये हमें prove करना है. Okay, so start करते हैं prove करना. Just see solution of this question. Okay, so since QR is produced up to the point S, QR को आगे बढ़ाया गया तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल कौन सा मिल रहा है? एक्सटीरियर एंगल PRS. ओके, सो सिंस QR is produced up to the point up to S. Okay, therefore exterior angle PRS is equals to the sum of two opposite interior angle. Sum of two opposite, अब इसका sum of two opposite means angle PQR plus angle QPR. Angle PQR plus angle QPR. Right friends? By which? By the exterior angle property. Right? Now let us see this PRS can be written as 2 times angle 2 times angle TRS. Okay, why? Because RT is the bisector of this angle. So this angle can be written as 2 times angle TRS. TRS equals to PQR. This PQR, let us think about PQR can also be written as 2 times angle TQR. 2 times angle TQR plus angle QPR, you just leave it same as angle QPR. Right friends, any confusion in this? Okay, so let us take this part to the, इसको ट्रांसपोज करते हैं, लेफ्ट साइड लाते हैं. So it can be written as twice the angle TRS minus twice the angle TQR equals to angle QPR. 2 you can take the common from this, right? 2 you can take the common from this R. No need to take this one R. This is 2, you just take the common. 2 taken common, so angle TRS minus angle TQR equals to angle QPR. Right friends, now let us think about this TRS. This is also an exterior angle. This is also an exterior angle of triangle TQR. So it can be written as angle TQR plus angle QTR. At the place of TRS, we can write angle TRS. What we are writing? Angle TQR plus angle QTR. Angle QTR minus angle TQR equals to angle QPR. Right? Any confusion? Now this angle TQR is cancelled. So what you got? 2 times angle QTR equals to angle QPR. Okay? कोई confusion हुआ? हमें हमारा proof मिल गया क्या? Therefore 2 is multiplied this, so angle QTR is equals to half of angle QPR. यही हमें प्रूव करना था, so hence it is proved. Right friends? Reason, you can write the reason here. Angle TRS in front of this, since angle TRS, this TRS is the exterior angle of this triangle TQR, can be written as angle TQR plus angle QRT, QTR. Right? इसका रीजन यहाँ पे लिख दिया. And this from exterior angle property, exterior angle, this is sufficient to write. Right friends? If any confusion, you can raise your question. You can WhatsApp me on my personal number. Right? If you just see it carefully that your concept is clear. So we are going to use here angle sum property as well as exterior angle property. So both the theorem as angle sum property and exterior angle property, ये दोनों theorem आपके लिए बहुत ही important है. So please and please, it's proof, it's a statement, both you just keep it in mind. उसको carefully, इसको ध्यान से सीखो और learn रखो, so that उस कॉन्सेप्ट को हम किसी क्वेश्चन को प्रूव करने में या किसी एंगल को फाइंड करने में हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. राइट फ्रेंड्स?